Good morning, students. Today we are going to start next chapter, chapter number 6, and the name of the chapter is Combustion and Flame. And in this chapter, we will learn about the combustion and the conditions necessary for the combustion and types of combustion and understanding about the we will understand about the combustible and non-combustible substances, ignition temperature, and the candle flame. We will also learn about the structure of the candle flame, different type of the fuel, and the principle of firefighting and fire extinguisher. Let's start the chapter. The first topic of the chapter is combustion. Okay. Then combustion is a chemical change, a process of burning of substances in which substance react with the oxygen and give off the heat and light energy. This process, whole process is called burning, है ना? Then here you will use the term combustion. That burning process is called combustion. Then simply we will say a chemical process in which substances react with the oxygen to give off the heat and light is called combustion. And the substances which burn, they are called the fuel. The process of combustion is an exothermic reaction. It is an exothermic reaction. What's the meaning of exothermic? Exo means out, है ना? Thermic means heat. It means a reaction in which heat is evolved. A reaction in which heat is coming out. When this reaction takes place, then heat बाहर निकलती है. Then this type of the reaction is called exothermic reaction. Then we will say combustion is a exothermic reaction. Okay, and examples I can give you: burning of the fuel, coal and wood, cow dung cake, petrol, diesel. They all due to the burning process, due to the combustion, energy, heat energy is comes out. It is produced and which is used for the various purposes. Sometimes light energy also given out during the combustion, either as a flame or as a glow. For instance, flame in case of the burning wood and glow in case of the burning coal. Okay. Now next is fuel. Okay, then we use different kind of the fuel for various purpose at our home, industries, and for running the automobiles. As we know, for in at our home we use a LPG. है ना? Normally we use LPG for running the vehicles. We use a petrol or we use a diesel, CNG, etc. is used. Then these all produce energy to run the vehicles or at our home for the uh, cooking food. Then these all are called these all are the fuel which give on combustion, give energy, especially heat energy and light energy also on combustion. So many fuels are there: wood, coal, charcoal, petrol, diesel, compressed natural gas, which is called CNG, right? Okay. Then on the basis of the occurrence, these fuel can be either natural or artificial. And fuel, the some fuels are solid fuels. Solid fuels, I can give you some example of the solid fuel as this wood. Then second maybe the cow dung cake, and coal is also solid fuel. These are the example of solid fuel. And some fuel are in liquid state also. Then liquid fuel, as you know, petrol, diesel, these comes in the category of the liquid fuel. And gaseous fuels are also there. Gaseous fuel, can you give me the example of gaseous fuel? Yes, I got it. As the natural gas, gaseous fuel, natural gas, gaseous fuel. Hydrogen also used as a fuel. Then coal gas is also used as a fuel. Then these are the some of the example which are used in gaseous form, right? Okay. Now one more thing: some fuels are renewable, which can be used again and again, right? जैसे fuel obtained from the agricultural waste, forest, animal waste, cow dung cake. These are the example of the renewable waste, and some are non-renewable waste. We all know these are the non-renewable resources as these fossil fuels. Now next is combustible and non-combustible substances. Then combustible substances are the substances which catch fire, right? Which catch which burn and catch fire. They are called, in the presence of oxygen, they are called the combustible substances. And combustible substances are mostly made up of hydrocarbons, that is, they are made up of hydrogen and carbon. These two are present in them. Thus, when these substances are burned, then carbon dioxide and water vapors are formed as a product, and heat and light energy is also released as a byproduct. For example, wood, so many examples are there, paper, then coal, etc. These all are the example of the combustible fuel. Some more are there: petrol, kerosene, diesel, alcohol. These all catch fire. Has these all are the combustible substances. Now next is the non-combustible substances. Then the substances which do not catch fire in the presence of air. They are called the non-combustible substances. For example, is sand, glass, water. These all are the non-combustible substances. Okay. Now, next, uh, we were told that food is a fuel for our body. Yes, this is a correct statement. Food is a fuel of our body because this food is taken in our body. This food is taken in our body. Then this food react with oxygen and produce the energy which is utilized to perform many function in our body. That's why energy production is done due to the food. This food reaches in the its simpler form as a glucose, carbohydrate digested in the form of glucose. Then it goes each and every cell, and inside each and every cell, the energy is produced when the food, glucose, this food in the form of glucose, it combines with oxygen, then energy is produced. That's why it is a fuel of body. Now, this table is given to you, and you will also make this table in your notebook. In this table, you are given some of the material, as you can see: wood, paper, iron nail, kerosene, stone piece, straw, charcoal, matchstick, glass. You have to fill this table according to combustible and non-combustible substances. Then, as the wood, it is a combustible substance. Paper, combustible. Iron nail, non-combustible. Kerosene, combustible. Stone piece, obviously non-combustible. Straw, combustible. Charcoal, combustible. Matchstick, combustible. है ना? And the last one is glass. Then glass is non-combustible, right? Then this table you will make in your notebook also, and you have to fill the table. Okay, enough for today. Thanks for listening me. Thanks for watching.